Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyleMyStyle, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister, and that is Sule from MyStyleMyColours, and it is the Summer Coffee Table Collaboration 2020. And what Sule asked us to do is to create two coastal coffee table stylings for summer. So this is my first summer coastal coffee table styling, and my home is modern coastal for the summer. I have decorated several rooms in the coastal style. If you have missed those videos, I will leave a link for those in the description box down below. But this is just a different styling for the coffee table. And like I said, I am modern glam, and you can see my candlesticks, very modern, sophisticated, just an elegant look. The coral you saw from a haul, I picked that up from the at-home store when it first opened after the quarantine lifted in the area where I live. And the vase also came from the at-home store. It is a modern version of the, oh gosh, what are those vases called? I don't know, they're like urn vases, but I don't really use those. But I saw this vase and I thought it was absolutely perfect. I absolutely love it. The florals came from Amazon. You know, my colors are black and white, so I am sticking with that style for summer. And this is how the first look of my coffee table is looking. I love this sophisticated style, and it just screams iStyleMyStyle to me. So this is our first look. Now on to the second look. Guys, so here is my second look. I left the Glam candle holders on the table. They stay on the table year round. I kept my round urn vase. I just really like it because it's very modern. I kept the same black florals, but I added in some palm and monstera leaves to give it that island coastal look. I have added a pair of, I don't know if they're sandpipers or little crane birds to the mix, along with a sand dollar statue. The sand dollar statue came from the at-home store, and the little cranes came from Joann's. They were on clearance at 60% off. But this is my second coffee table styling. I actually like it just as much as the first one, so I don't know which one I like best. Leave a comment down below. Did you like styling number 1 best, or do you like styling number 2 best? So I would like to thank Sule for hosting this collaboration. Thank you, Sule. It was so much fun to participate. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. If you are new here, my name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in and would like to see more content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a part of the iStyleMyStyle family. So I hope you guys all have an awesome weekend. Have an awesome day, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.